Yo, what's up, everybody? This is like number 4, or number 5 of the devlog series. Alright, so I gotta show you what I done added. See, I have been working the entire time and getting the multiplayer working, but I think I got it done pretty good. So let's watch this. So, I was just learning how to do multiplayer the entire time in between the last video and this video, but I got it working using the RPC stuff. So check this out. Nothing in the game actually changed except for now it's multiplayer. So you got this multiplayer text up here that I copied for someone else's code, and then got a host button and a join button. Alright, so let me put these where you can kind of see them. Alright, ready? Alright, see the host one right here. I'm gonna wait a minute for the enemies to come up so I can show you that they spawn on this one too when I join. Alright, see there's 2 enemies, maybe 3, right? Yeah, or 3. So I join on this one, and then look at on the other player, the enemies already sync, and the enemy AI goes towards the nearest player and stuff, and the enemy, yeah, that's about it. But the bullets sync. You see I'm shooting on the main, and they're getting copied over. The numbers on the above the player are the player username, but the right now the username is just their multiplayer ID. So the server's 1, but everyone that joins gets like a random number. Yeah, so you see it's working pretty well. Now I just need to add, like, you know, finding a server, or not finding, like, where you can join someone over the local area network, like, you know, Minecraft, where you can play someone if they're on the same internet. I'm gonna add that, and then I'm gonna add like controller support, because it's gonna take a minute to make multiplayer support. So I'm gonna add controller support for first, so I can play with a controller on my phone, so I can test it more, because having it an actual internet connection is probably a better way to test it. But you see the physics is working pretty good. If I run into this guy, kind of like interacts a little bit. I don't know, it's really weird. But that's pretty much it. So I just added multiplayer. So that's pretty cool. I can't believe that I really got it working. ChatGPT does not know anything about the multiplayer. So if you're trying to make multiplayer in the game, don't ask ChatGPT. You gotta ask the Google AI. And make sure you put the thinking to all the way up, so that way it's not stupid. And that's pretty much it. Also, I added a little thing for the enemies. Let me show you. Yeah, the enemies right here. This right here, where you can put on the debug, and also navigation. You can put on debug, but I'm not going to. It's kind of confusing. All right, let's do this again. The debug will show the health and who it's like chasing. I see this one has 100 and it's chasing the main player, but if I move back here, it'll switch to the other one because it's closer. And look at when I shoot enemy on the main player or the server, watch it, the numbers change on the client. So it's working good as well. So basically, multiplayer is working now. So that's about it. Wait, why does I shoot it? It goes direct all the way to 10. The bullets are only supposed to, see how that one went to 55? Yeah, bullets are only supposed to do like 1 damage. I think it's doing like double damage. Whatever. Oh shit. I'm gonna use this one for a second. But anyway, that's pretty cool. Now I guess I'm just gonna add like, I'm just gonna like add like a main menu, all the main menu stuff, and like a single player mode, and a whole multiplayer system where you can like host a server or you can search for other servers to join. I think I'm just gonna have a LAN, but I might make it where you can like have a dedicated server. And then on the actual server in real life, I can have it like a lobby. And when you make a host a server, it will run like a lobby. Like it will have a list of all the servers that you can join. So it'll connect to it. It will like look on it. So that way, even if you don't have the same, even if you're not in the same like room as somebody, or the same Wi-Fi network, you can still host a server and they can join it. Kind of like how Among Us is. So let me know if I should do that in the comments. That'd be pretty fire. I think actually I might do that. That's a great idea I just had. I got an idea now. Let's try to do this with 4. It's 4. It's probably gonna work, but there's a chance that it's not gonna work. So let's see. It should work though. It should work because you know the multiplayer is working good. So I'm gonna have one up here. Oh, I can just put it in the corner and it windows automatically. Hold on. Oh, whatever. This one's just gonna be smaller. All right, check this out, guys. This is about to be the truth. I mean the test of whatever. Let's see if it works. All right, here's the main player. Let's add all these players. Oh shit, yo, that looks like it's working, bro. When I shoot, it's kind of weird, but it does go on all the other players. I think I need to work a little bit with the shooting because I don't know, the bullets, they're just not perfect on everyone's thing, but it is working though. Oh, I think I need to mess with the bullet though because oh wait, I think I know what's happening. Oh yeah, I know exactly what's happening. Yeah, so I didn't actually fully create a bullet in multiplayer, so basically every single player they're running the bullet code anyway, because normally in the script you have like if you're an owner of the object, then you can like do the code for it, like for the player. Like for this, the player that you are currently, it will run the code, but all the other players, it has a check and it sees if you're the one that's actually the client of the character, and if you're not, then it just skips the code. But I didn't add that in the bullet, so I need to add that real quick. It should be easy. I think I need to, so I just need to little bug fixes. But anyway, the main concept is here. You got multiplayer on also, what should we name this game? I think I might name it like red versus blue, or no, blue versus red. A cubed edition, 3D deluxe. Because I think that would attract. What the hell? Wait a second. Why is there an extra player? Wait, hold on. So there's 4 players total. There's 4 screens, right? Hold on. I wish I can like add a button to disable the enemies or something. Well, there's 4 screens, right? Why is there an extra player? Look at this. On this screen is no player. On this screen is no player over here. Not this one, not this one. But on this screen there's an extra player. I think that probably happened because I joined really fast, but we definitely gotta find out how to fix that. Cannot be having ghost players. I'm going to restart this and see if I join a little bit slower. Because I think I joined too fast. Like I had to click join as fast as I could on all at once. I think if I click join slower, it will work. And where's my 4th one? Wait, there's no 4th one. Yeah, there's no main one. Hold on. I'm just gonna close it out and then make them all again. Alright, here we go. What? There is 4. Oh, I think I clicked that thing on the other one and made it disappear. Whatever. I guess one of these guys can be a big screen. Do you guys ever remember? Wait, don't you guys remember? Like back on Xbox 360, when you had a multiplayer Minecraft with 3 people, and one of the persons would have a bigger screen, and you always be fighting over who had the bigger screen on the bottom. All right, yeah, and this one's gonna be widescreen. All right, here's a host, and then join, and then join. Yeah, so that's working fine. There's only 3 people on each screen. I don't see any extras or nothing crazy going on. Also, when I move my mouse, and you might wonder why all the other characters are moving their mouse too. That's just because everyone's pointing towards my mouse, no matter if I'm like focused on that screen or not. They're always pointing towards the mouse. See, this guy looks towards the mouse. Everyone looks towards the mouse. But that's pretty cool. So I got multiplayer working. Yeah, there's it. I think I said that like too many times already. But check this out. Yeah, that's it. That's it. I'm gonna turn debug off. Okay. Let's see. Oh, this fighter really bad. I would go get a snack right now, but I gotta go to school, and I gotta get ready for school after I record it, so I don't really got that much time. Let's see. If we take this off, you can see the original game. Here's all the shaders and stuff. I'm gonna let's see. Wait, why can't I not select it? Where's the map? Oh, it's in here. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the walls, and I'm gonna replace this texture with a regular texture. And then we just gotta resize this real quick. Okay, now it's not as confusing. The walls are just white. So that's a W. So that's it, pretty much. Oh wait, hold on. Let me show you guys something. I'll be right back. Alright, but guys, look it. Only got 16 views. I think this is mainly because I uploaded it like on a Saturday at like 1 a.m. So I'm gonna set this video to upload at like 12 or 10 on a Friday, and I think I'll get more than 16. Yeah. Oh yeah, and join the Minecraft server. I'm gonna have to edit it back on the screen again. But that's pretty much it for the video. I don't think it was too long. 13 minutes? Oh shit. Bro, how am I gonna get anyone's attention span for a whole 13 minutes, bro? God damn it, bro. I'm gonna have to put like I'm gonna have to get like a little reel of like, I'm gonna have to get like SpongeBob in the corner and like Family Guy in the top left. I'm gonna get like yeah, Family Guy in the top left. Let me guys leave a comment if you guys want me to leave a box in the top left that has Family Guy in it. All right, and let me know like what episode too. I'll put on any episode. But I'm gonna get ready for school, and I'm about to upload this video too. So that's about the end of the video, bruh. All right, everybody. Oh yeah. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. And if you see me in real life, you gotta give me money to support the game, or else.